All right, now that you are approved for your Amazon influencer account and for on-site commissions, let's dive into strategies to help you work in the smartest way possible to make as much money as possible. What we're gonna cover in this video is getting started with a software called ViralView and the first tool that you're going to use after you finish this video to scale in the most efficient way possible. So first, what is ViralView? It is the #1 Amazon influencer software tool that again helps Amazon influencers work smarter and not harder. It is proven to help the average influencer increase their commissions by 300%. So yes, a 3x increase, meaning if you're making around $1,000 a month right now without ViralView, you could be expecting to make around $3,000 a month. And not only that, but it's proven to also help the average influencer receive around 70 free products. And lastly, it helps the average Amazon influencer save about 15 hours of time a month, which with the increased commissions, free products, and the amount of saved time, it is definitely worth it. And there are different plans according to your needs. So there's a free plan, a starter plan, and a pro plan. The tool that we're gonna be covering in today's video is on the starter plan, and then the tools that we're gonna be covering in the rest of this course are gonna be on the pro plan. The pro plan is well worth your time, and those results I just explained to you of the increased commission, save time, is from users that are on the pro plan. So let's dive into the sign up process and what you're going to do right now. So you can go to viralview.com, and you can explore around here if you'd like, or just jump right into signing up. Now here are the options. Not only can you save 15% by subscribing to the yearly plan, but I'll also include a coupon code down below, live10, to get an additional 10% off. If yearly doesn't work for you, you can toggle this and switch to monthly. So the sign up process is pretty simple. Go ahead and fill this out and hit sign up. And then once you are signed up, you want to make sure that you have the Chrome extension installed. You can do that within ViralView by going to this little puzzle icon right here. That will take you to the Chrome Web Store. Or if you're having trouble, you can also just go straight to the Chrome Web Store and look up ViralView and hit add to Chrome. Now, once you have it installed, I would pin it. And then once you click on here, it will have you log in. Once you're logged in, you should get a little pop-up right here where you can have shortcuts to wherever you need to go. For example, your storefront. The first time you click on this, you'll get a pop-up to insert your storefront link, so that way every time going forward, it will automatically take you to your storefront, which is why in the previous video I said make sure to copy this and paste it in there. You'll also get this little pop-up right here with some quick tips such as a YouTube crash course playlist that goes through everything with ViralView. I also recommend joining the Facebook group so you can connect with other influencers, see what they're learning, ask any questions that you may have. And then if you have any issues, you can go to our help center. Now that we are signed into ViralView and we have the Chrome extension added, I will recommend to go to your Creator Studio and just let ViralView do a scan on your storefront. This is going to link your Amazon influencer storefront to your ViralView account. Once you've done this, then you are set. Chances are, if you're just getting started, you don't have a lot of videos, and this will literally take but 5 seconds. All right, so we are officially past the hardest part of getting approved, getting everything set up. Let's dive into strategy now. The first strategy that you're going to do is scan your order history. Chances are you have purchased a lot of things on Amazon, and a lot of these things are great products that can make you money, and a lot of these products will be an absolute waste of time. So what is the difference? Let's talk about what makes a good product good and a bad product bad. There's a couple different data points to look at, but the two most important data points are going to be high sales, high revenue. If a product does not sell, you will not make any money. No one's going to the listing, no one's gonna watch your video. It's gonna be a waste of time. So high sales. The second one is low competition. If a product doesn't have a lot of competition, it increases your likelihood of your video being placed on the listing, which increases the likelihood of someone watching your video and buying the product. Now, of the thousands of products that you may have purchased on Amazon, how do you know which ones have high sales and have low competition? This is the answer right here. Welcome to ViralView, the first tool, the order history scanner, where you can come, hit this refresh button right here, and it'll scan all of your order history. So in my case, I have 957 products that I purchased. And then just a little side note right here, this is some data on those 957 products, meaning 416 of the products I have made a video for, and there's still 541 products I haven't made a video for. And then of the videos I've made, these are how they are ranking right here. Let's not dive too deep into that, and let's just load product view, or in other words, the order history scanner that's going to sort from best to worst so we know which products we need to prioritize. So first things first, this is a table that gives us a bunch of different data points on all of these products. Now, there is a lot of data points. Because this is the very basic, I'm actually going to remove some of these data points because I don't think we need to know everything, which is just a little feature of Viral View. There's a lot of data points that you can turn on and off. So I'm just gonna turn off some of these that you don't need to worry about right now. All right, so here we go. The first data point that we're gonna look at is called the viral score. This is a score from 1 to 100 that gives you a good balance of high sales, low competition. These are great products to prioritize that have a good likelihood of making money. Now, one thing I do want to address, just because a product has a high viral score or a low viral score doesn't guarantee that you will or won't make money. It's just a good baseline. So for example, this product right here, I actually recently just purchased. It has a 98 viral score, because the 30-day revenue is almost $200,000, and look at this. Total influencer videos is 1, which means if I make a video for this, my video will be placed on the carousel. I'm only competing with one other person, and it has 133 sales a day, so I already own this product. I need to go make a video for it. And then if you have made a video for it, it'll tell you right here what your video placement is. So what you're going to do is literally just go and prioritize all of these high viral score products and go and make videos of them. Now let's scroll down and you'll see once we get into the 70s of viral scores, it goes into yellow. That doesn't mean these are bad products. In fact, some of these actually might make more money than others. So what I would recommend is to still actually make videos of these products. For example, we have this vitamin right here that does great sales, 333 sales, but there's 35 total influencer videos. Now, that is a good amount of competition, but if you make a good video that's engaging and you get lucky maybe, and you might get a placement in either the top carousel or the bottom carousel, which in a perfect world, you want to be in both the top and bottom carousel. But in this case, I made it into the bottom carousel, which is better than nothing. Now let me show you what the top and bottom carousel is. So let's come to this product. If you click on these videos right here, this right here is called the top carousel. So these are 5 Amazon influencer videos that made it on the top carousel. This is the goal. You want as many of your videos to be in the top carousel. This is where the majority of shoppers will watch your video. However, if they scroll down and let's say they're learning more, there's what's called a bottom carousel right here. And if we come over here, these are all the other videos. And as you can see, here is my video. So not only is Viral View going to show you when you've made it in the top and bottom carousel, but it's also going to give you strategies to help you increase the likelihood of you getting in the top or bottom carousel. Now, a lot of people will ask me, like, what is the ideal product? Sales versus influencers, what are we looking for? Now, there's a lot of different variables such as the price of the product, the commission of the product, whether it has creator connections, how easy is it to make a video, which creator connections, by the way, we'll dive into in another video, but basically that means a bonus commission. So what I want you to do is mainly focus on products that have good sales. If there's a lot of competition, that's okay because you already own these products. And so making a video for them isn't that big of a risk. Because let's say you make 10 videos and 2 of them get into carousels, that will make up for the other 8 that don't do anything. So once you've reviewed like some of the higher viral score products, you could come in and filter the products that have either the best sales or the highest 30-day revenue. Look at these products right here that are in the millions of dollars. Now check this out. You can see my video placement for most of these are in neither. In fact, a lot of them are in neither. But then every so often, we'll get one that's in both, this one that's in bottom, or this one, look, against 417 influencers, I made it into the bottom carousel. So the way I like to describe this is every video you put up is like a free lottery ticket. There's a chance that it's gonna do absolutely nothing, but if it does get into a carousel, it's going to be well worth your time. And not to mention, carousel placements constantly rotate. So maybe today you will be in the carousel, maybe tomorrow you won't, and same vice versa. But what I will say is if a product isn't doing a lot of sales, such as these products right here, it's not gonna be worth your time to make the video. For example, this product right here, the sales is unknown, basically meaning that it's not doing any sales, and I'm in the bottom carousel, but it doesn't do me any good because no one is buying this product, so that video is a waste of time. So again, what you're gonna do is you're gonna come prioritize the highest viral score products, and then after that, you're gonna prioritize products that sell well. And you're gonna do this and try and get to 100 videos. And I think it's very reasonable to do that within a week or 2. The best way I'd put it is the quicker that you can get your videos up, the quicker you can start making money, and the quicker you can start diving into more advanced strategies that we'll dive into later on in this course. So just to wrap up, make sure you go install Viral View, go to your order history, Let ViralView scan all of the products that you purchased. The first time you do this, it's gonna take a second because ViralView is scanning all of the products that you purchased. And then click this little pop-up over here on the side. And again, there's gonna be a lot of data points and it might be overwhelming. You can turn off some of the data points if you want, like I did, by clicking up here in the top right and turning off data points. Or you can leave them on, and the ones that you're going to focus on is viral score, daily sales / 30-day revenue. Some people like to look at sales, some people like to look at the revenue. I personally like revenue. And then the total influencer video count. Then you're just gonna go find all of those products that you own, make a stack of them, and start filming yourself breaking down these products. When I first started with the Amazon Influencer Program, I just started reviewing everything and anything that I owned, which is great, but if I had this tool when I started, I would have saved a lot of time and I would have started making money a lot quicker because I would have actually chosen the products that have the higher probability of making money. So make sure to sign up with ViralView down below and we'll see you guys in the next strategy.